Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm a naturalist and educator at Severson Dells Nature Center. Today I'd like to teach you a little bit about frogs that call in the summer, specifically the third window of the Calling Frog Survey, which is June 20th through July 10th. There's three frogs that call most prevalently in this season, and that's the bullfrog, the cricket frog, and the green frog. Let's hop into it. The first summer frog I'd like to introduce you to is the bullfrog. These frogs are pretty big. They can be anywhere from 3.5 to 6 inches long. They prefer to live in permanent bodies of water like ponds, swamps, lakes, and the edges of rivers. Their call sounds like a bow getting drawn across a string bass, or a bull. They're pretty common in this area, and they do look similar to green frogs, but a key difference between these two frog species is that bullfrogs don't have the strong dorsolateral ridge running down their back that green frogs do. They're known to eat anything that crosses their path, anything that they can get their mouths on at least, and they've been known to even eat bats, birds, rodents, lizards, snakes, and other frogs. The next frog I'd like to introduce you to is the Blanchard's cricket frog. This frog is very similar to other species of cricket frogs, like the northern cricket frog. In fact, their calls and coloration are virtually indistinguishable. We suspect that we have Blanchard's cricket frog in Winnebago County because of the genetic and geographic distribution of this species. This is a relatively small frog. They are anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches long. They like to live in the edges of slow-moving permanent bodies of water, like marshes, swamps, ponds, and lakes. Their call sounds like two marbles clicking together, and it usually speeds up as it goes on. These frogs are incredibly rare, and they're endangered in some states. Because of this, it's important to try to document this frog if you see it, or hear it for that matter. There's a variety of colors this frog can come in and some wonderful color morphs, so be sure to explore that. The final frog I'd like to introduce you to is the green frog. These frogs are very common and they're a larger frog. They can be anywhere from 2 to 4 inches long. They prefer to live in slow-moving permanent bodies of water like swamps, ponds, and lakes. Their call sounds something like a loose banjo string or a series of gulps. Green frogs are known to have a blue color morph, which is absolutely stunning. While rare in this area, if you do see it, be sure to snap a picture. I hope you enjoyed this information about summer frogs in Winnebago County. If you're interested in learning more and helping these frogs, especially rare and endangered frogs like the cricket, please check out our website at seversondells.org to learn how you can become a citizen scientist. With just a little bit of training, you could contribute valuable scientific information to aid in the conservation and understanding of these wonderful species. Thanks for your time, and I hope you'll check that out.